Imagine if your money wasn't paper or coins or even a credit card, but just numbers on the internet. That's what cryptocurrency is. But what does that even mean? In this video, I'll explain in the easiest way possible. No fancy words, no tech talk. Just a simple answer to the question, what is cryptocurrency and why is everyone talking about it? To understand crypto, let's go back to 2008. At that time, big banks around the world were failing. People lost trust in them. They felt like their money was in someone else's control. Then, someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto shared an idea online. The idea was simple. What if we had a kind of money that didn't need banks? A money that anyone could send to anyone else, directly, using the internet. That idea became the first cryptocurrency. It was called Bitcoin. And from there, everything changed. Okay, here's the easiest way to think about it. Cryptocurrency is like digital money, but it's different from your bank account or PayPal. Here's how. First, it's completely online. There's no physical coin or paper. It lives in the internet. Not inside one company, like a bank, but in a shared space where everyone can see what's going on. Second, it doesn't need a middleman. That means if I want to send you cryptocurrency, I don't have to go through a bank or wait for business hours. I just send it straight from my phone to yours, anytime, even at midnight. Third, it's safe because it's locked by super smart computer rules. Only you can access your money because you have a special code, called a private key. It's like a secret password. Without it, no one can take your crypto. And that code isn't stored by any company, it's yours to keep safe. And finally, all this is kept on something called a blockchain. Think of it like a big notebook that everyone in the world can see, but no one can erase or secretly change. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, that note is added to the notebook, and everyone agrees on it. That's how people know no one is cheating. So why would anyone use this? Well, here are a few reasons. Some people like that it's fast. You can send money across the world in minutes, not days. Others like that it's open to everyone. You don't need a bank account, just a phone and internet. That helps people in countries where banks aren't easy to access. And some people see it as a new kind of investment, hoping the value will go up over time, just like gold or real estate. But crypto isn't just money. It's also a way for people to build new kinds of apps and websites. Some apps use it to let people vote or raise money or even play games where players earn coins. That's what makes this space so exciting. Before we wrap up, let's clear up a few common myths. No, crypto is not only for hackers or bad guys. In fact, everything is recorded, publicly. No, you don't need to buy a full Bitcoin. You can buy even a small piece, like a 50 cents worth. And no, if you lose your phone, you won't lose your money, as long as you save your secret code safely, like on paper or in a password app. So, to sum it up, cryptocurrency is digital money that you control. No banks, no borders, no middlemen. It's fast, it's public, and it's changing how we think about money. But Bitcoin was just the beginning. In the next video, we'll take you through the history of how crypto grew from one small idea to thousands of coins and a global movement. Don't miss it. Keep exploring, stay curious. Goodbye.